bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
Natural History Association. Okay. Where the mountains meet the prairie, no? So ito raw yung Chief Mountain, Belly River Valley, Sopa Mountain, Mount Cleveland, Vimy Peak, yan. Lakeview, Mount Galway, Horseshoe Mountain, The Horn, Mount Dungarban, Oil Basin, Cloud Ridge, Spion Cap Ridge, Yarrow Creek, Spread Eagle Mountain. So mga ka-tribe, ano, yan, ito yung mga hayop at mga ibon, ano, na nandarito, yan, napakarami. So yan. So italics nun dito on top, makikita ninyo, ano, yan, ano, yan na yung valley, ano, papuntang Waterton na yan, mga ka-tribe, ano? So yan, ito yung Waterton Biosphere Reserve Association. Okay, so yeah, mga ka-tribe, yan, ikot ko lang sandali para makita ninyo. Okay, doon kami galing, dyan sa area na yan. Okay, mga kabundukan, makikita ninyo. So yeah, so yun yung Chief Mountain, no? Yun yung Chief Mountain doon. Okay, Belly River, Sopa Mountain. Yan, nandyan yung mga yun, Citadel Peaks, no? So ito yung Horseshoe Mountain, yun. Horseshoe Mountain, yun. Nakikita mo. Tapos yun naman yung The Horn, yung sa likod niya. Alright, so yeah. As you could see, ano, ang laki nitong boulder na to. Laki. Ang ganda ng kulay. Big, huge. So huge. Alright.
Ganda, no?
Yeah,
It's refreshing.
yes. So, yeah.
11 kilometers away from Waterton
Yeah.
Park.
Guys, nandito tayo sa Red Rock Canyon Road. Nandito sa gilid ng bundok, ano? At makikita mo rin sa baba, na mababa. Ito, nasa kalagitnaan siya, ano, ng bundok. Kaya very unique din ang ginawa nilang daan. Dahil yun nga, paakyat,
Pababa.
paakyat baba. So this is the Red Rock Canyon. Alright, ito yung mga information, you know. Okay. So nandito tayo ngayon. Okay. So mahaba yan, no? Andun, hanggang doon. Yun. Alright, so we'll try to go there.
Got time, it's clear to see from up here.
Yeah, you made it. Yes, successful. Let's go.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here. The world seems small.
Oh boy, it's really cold.
It's nice though when you're going up there.
And I found a warm tub for my feet.
extreme cold.
Mga ka-tribe, eto si Rod.
I thought I could wade in. That seems like it's difficult, you know. Oh boy. Yeah, it's a little bit cold, I think. It's cold.
And here's a little pool.
Oh yeah, you have a pool over there.
Get my feet wet.
Oh, this is bad.
But this is literally like a hot tub.
Maybe I could wade in one time, but I need to remove my shirt so that when I feel cold.
Oh, yeah, take your shirt off and then your skin dries fast and keeps warm fast.
Yeah, that's right. I'll do that. I don't know if I could make it, but yeah, you think I could make it? Yeah, I think that's a good place, you know. So, yeah, I'll try it. Ako palang belt ko minsan ko. I will remove my belt. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe a minute. Maximum 1 minute. Okay, oh boy. Oh, so cold. Oh, so cold. So cold. Oh. So cold. So cold. Cold.
Does that feel better on
Is it 30 seconds now? Could I make it in 1 minute? I could not hang on because I'm doing well. Yeah, by the way. But 1 minute, 1 more, huh? 1 minute here. You're very cold. That's nice. Okay. Okay, guys, it's your turn. It's your turn. You can make it. Yeah, I did. That's so nice. Oh boy, that's nice.
you walk up there? You can walk way up there and there's all this all the way up.
Okay.
It's actually fun.
All right. Yeah, you can go there.
What do you do there? Where do you work?
He works as a surveyor before. Yeah.
I work in a survey consultant.
Yeah. Cool.
And then after Saudi Arabia, we went to Dubai.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Yes.
Cool.
We stayed there for almost 9 years
And you
in
like it
Dubai.
there too? It's really cool.
Oh
yeah,
yeah,
it's beautiful
yeah, it's
there.
beautiful.
The
Actually,
only problem
one.
is, the only problem is when you reach retirement age, nowhere to go because you know you're just like any foreign workers over there.
Okay.
Yeah, you could not get citizenship.
Right.
So we moved here 2006.
Cool. Sounds good. What a life. That sounds great.
Yeah,
All right.
All right. We'll see you.
yeah.
Get going after my kids, I guess. Where's Romeo and Emma?
It's only a little bit shallow, yeah? I want that I could submerge fully, you know?
Oh, there's spots up there if you want.
Yeah, but that's a little bit far. You know, we are avoiding to fall.
Madi, Gabi, Michelle, and Danny Boy, look at Lolo Papa. You come and join us next summer so that you can join Lolo Papa to submerge yourself in this area in Red Rock Canyon.
Okay, could you time? If
Okay.
I could make it in a minute.
Yeah, okay.
Very low. Get out of it. Whoa, look at it. Is it? You know what? You can do it.
It's so hard.
It's only 17 seconds.
17!
Oh boy, that's awful. I think because it's cold, you know, I could hardly, I could enjoy the cold, but holding the breath in a very precarious position, you know. I mean, if I'm standing upright, submerged, yeah. But here, you know, you lose your breath easily. That's more difficult. Oh boy. I'll take a breath first, okay? It's hard because the cold.
Okay, come on, let's go.
I gotta get away from it.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Hello guys! Nakaligo na si Rod, nagtampi-tampisaw.
Yeah, ang sarap-sarap. Sa una lang na malamig, pero once na lumubog ka na, okay na siya. Yung nga lang sa tenga siguro dahil yung mainit yung katawan ko sa loob, tapos yung lamig, kaya papasok dito, kaya medyo makirot sa tenga. Dahil sinubukan kong mag-submerge doon ng matagal, I could hardly hold my breath kasi nga yung dito parang may pressure, siguro yung difference in temperature.
Okay,
Alright, sige.
don't forget to subscribe on our channel.
Yeah.
Ito guys, yung kapaligiran ng Red Rock Canyon. Papakita ko sa inyo yung paligid niya. Nasa gitna ng bundok itong Red Rock Canyon. Napakagandang lugar. Refreshing.
Kami ay pauwi na. Pabalik na, may tao sa likod mo na. Right, yeah. We'll be going back to Edmonton soon. Alright, yeah. Okay guys, ha, ito. Nagahanda na kami. Ito.
Don't forget to subscribe, like,
Please subscribe, ano.
kung bago
Like,
kayo sa channel
share,
namin
and
ito.
comment, ano. Mag-comment kayo. Tell us that you have subscribed and we will shout out your name. Kung may kakilala kayo rito, ay sabihin niyo yung pangalan, mabatin din namin sila. Okay, don't forget to love and thrive. Love what you do. Follow your dreams. Share your passion to other people so that you could motivate them, and we thrive, we grow as a community. Alright, see you there. God bless.